class. My name is Rodham and I am going to talk about my routine. I wake up at 7:30. I take a shower and get dressed at 7:15. I eat my breakfast at 8:30. I enter my virtual classes at 10 minutes to 9 until 10 minutes to 8. Eat my lunch at 3 o'clock. Take a nap at 4:15. At 4:45, I do my homework. At 6:30, I watch some TV. I read my favorite book for 7 o'clock. I eat dinner at 7:30.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, class. My name is Monte. I am going to talk about my routine. I wake up at 7:30. I take a shower and dress at 8:15. I eat my breakfast 8:30. I enter my virtual classes 10 minutes to 9 until 20 minutes to 3. I eat my lunch 3 o'clock. I take a nap at 4:15. At 4:45, I do my homework. At 6:30, I watch some TV. I play football with my brother at 7 o'clock. I eat dinner at 7:30. I brush my teeth. Say prayer and I go to bed 9 o'clock.
Good afternoon, teacher and everybody. I am María Ramirez. I want to tell my biography. My name is María Ramirez. I am 12 years old. My birthday is the 19th of August. I am a smart girl. I live in San Miguel. My family are Pilar, Carlos, and Andrea. I am from Lima, Peru. I like to go for a walk, draw, and paint. And I am at the 5th grade of Rodham School.
My name is Área Moron. Today I am going to introduce you to my favorite animal, dogs. Among all the breeds of dogs, I like the beagle dog. My favorite animal, the dog. The beagle, a cheerful and loving dog, perfect company. This breed can bark excessively if left alone. Beagles are a small to medium-sized breed of dog. They are intelligent animals and popular as pets due to their size, character, and lack of congenital health problems. The beagle has a muscular body and a medium height. It is square in constitution. The length from the chest to the legs is almost equal to the height from the ground to the withers. Its coat is smooth, short, dense, and resistant to sudden weather changes.